Okay, this is a weird one. Fixing this Philips de Luxe from 965, and I was tuning around, just make sure I fixed it and it's all properly working. It is on the medium wave, is that? Yeah, medium wave. And usually when I'm fixing a video, I like to watch YouTube videos. Anyway, I'm just watching a Martin Zero video. I'm not subscribed to him, but he does some good videos on this. Came up and recommended, and
would just be full. It's just quite section. Right. And I bet the water touches the ceiling. It's only for
his voice is only coming from my phone, but also what's going on, because that is not connected to that. There's no wires. I've not stuck a Bluetooth module in there because there's no space. Any ideas, anyone? Is it? I don't get how. Unless it's resonating somehow. I don't know. Does it work with a different video? No, let's have a look. Will it work with very hot?
For you to plan well things. Everything else, we've no minimum to cash out. And these are right. So if you need to
yeah, that's weird. Any ideas? Anyone? Spooky.